Welcome back friends, welcome to another episode of KW Tech official YouTube channel. In this video we are going to show you guys how you can easily cut any video with VLC Media Player or you can easily use your VLC Media Player as a video cutter. So let's get started. First of all, what you need to do is you have to right click on the video file and after that click on open with and click on VLC Media Player. Now video is playing, just click on the pause button and after that go to a view button and then click on advanced controls, and after that you will see that 4 features are now available on the menu. So what you need to do is you have to just click on play button, and whenever you want to cut the part, just click on the red dot and then again press on the play button, and after that your video is going to start playing. So if you want to pause it, just again click on that red dot, like I'm going to click on 15 seconds, and here you see. Now what you need to do is you have to just close this video VLC Media Player and go to your file explorer, and in the side tab you have to click on videos, and here you will see the VLC record file. This is the part of that video file. Just double click on it and here you see this is the video file that you cut from the video file. So I hope that this video will be helpful for you. If you find it helpful, do subscribe our channel KW Tech Official. Inshallah, we will meet you again in the next video. Take care and have a nice day.